Home Remedies presents Japanese Secret Anti-Aging Remedy to Remove Wrinkles. Anti-aging skincare consists of 2 steps. Step 1. Cleanse the skin. Step 2. Wrinkle Removal Mask. In today's video, I will make a cleaner and then a wrinkle removal mask. Make sure you watch till the end. The benefits of this wrinkle removal homemade mask are: reduces, repairs and removes fine lines and wrinkles, promote intense moisturization and antioxidant protection, firms and strengthens the skin, helps prevent the formation of new fine lines and wrinkles. Potato works effectively well in slowing down the signs of aging, especially wrinkles. This inexpensive facial is rich in potassium, phosphorus, manganese, and other minerals that nourish the skin. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Procedure: extract the juice. First, clean a potato and grate it with the help of a grater. Squeeze its juice. Do not add water or any liquid. Do not discard the grated potato after squeezing the juice. For later use. Prepare skin cleanser. Ingredients: grated potato 2 tablespoons, raw milk 2 tablespoons. Procedure: take a bowl and mix all the ingredients well and apply this cleanser on face, rubbing it on circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Then wash off with water and dry it. Wrinkle removal mask. Ingredients: potato starch 2 tablespoons, egg white half of an egg, rice powder 2 tablespoons. Procedure: leave the potato juice in the glass for 15 minutes till all the starch settles at the bottom. Then we separate the starch from the juice by pouring it in another glass. Now take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of potato starch in it. Add half of an egg white in it. Add rice powder and mix all the ingredients well. Apply this mask to the entire face and let it dry for 20 minutes. Once dry, wash off with warm water, then with cold water. Do this twice or thrice a week for wonderful results. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.